Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in, and happy new year to each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also do personalize the notifications bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. So today guys, we are going to be doing curls without using any heat on our hair. You want to go ahead and apply your mousse on the hair. Make sure that your hair becomes damp. To avoid using a lot of mousse, you can just add a little bit of water into your hair. So this is the easiest way to do curls if you don't know how to use your straightener, and also if you don't like using heat on your hair. So you want to take your roller and bend it like this. Some call it a flexi rod, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But you want to go ahead and roll your hair around the roller. Make sure that it's facing forward, exactly as I am doing, you guys. This is the easiest way. And also, when you roll your hair, don't roll it in one place for like the longest of time. Try and roll it down, making it lengthy so that you can get like stretched out curls, exactly like the ones that I did. And then you lock it like that, and then you want to go ahead and take your foam again, and then you do the very same thing. So I'm gonna show you maybe like 3 times on how to do this. Make sure that you roll the same direction. If that other side you roll the other direction, roll the opposite direction, but that side, let's say maybe the left hand side is rolled like in an anti-clockwise direction. Make sure that the whole of that side, when you roll that hair, is you roll it anti-clockwise. When on the other side you rolled clockwise, make sure that you roll clockwise so that when you comb your curls, it's easy for them to just blend and hug each other. So make sure that you roll the same direction. You can't roll on the same side. The other side, on the same side, maybe you roll the other roller, it goes anti-clockwise, and the other one you roll it clockwise. It's not gonna look nice. Your curls are gonna look messy. So roll in the same direction. So bending your roller like I did helps you get direction, and also it hugs the hair on top so that it doesn't roll endlessly. So yeah, you want to go ahead and do that. Make sure that your hair is constantly damp with your mousse. This helps also with the curls to last. When you use mousse on these when you're doing these curls, your curls will last. I stayed for up to 3 days with these curls, and I loved them, you guys. I loved them so much. You know, sometimes when you curl your hair with a straightener or a curler, they just last for a day, sometimes not even a full day, maybe like a few hours. But with this one, oh my goodness, it lasts. If you do it right, the curls last. So yeah guys, you want to go ahead and continue with that. A lot of y'all, I know guys, I have disappeared. I haven't been vlogging for you. Some of y'all were fetching me on the comments, asking me when am I coming back with the vlogs. You guys, be patient. I'm gonna come back, and when I come back, I'm gonna come back better, because I've been watching my mistakes and also trying to improve and learn how to vlog properly so that I can come back with a bang. So yeah, so this is how you roll your curls. This is how you unwrap your curls after some time you've applied them. You don't have to use any heat. You can do this the night before, or you can do it in the morning and then get busy at home. And then when you unwrap them like this, you guys. Don't roll out the roll, no, just pull it up, and then the hair will just go down eventually. So it gives you like a lengthy curl. But when you are going to unwrap it and roll out the roller, it's gonna be messy. It's not gonna give you like defined curls like these. And then you want to go ahead and take your holding spray again, and then you comb your hair and then put on a little bit of shine. I've used the Dark and Lovely hair serum. Oh my goodness, I love the serum. It makes my hair a bit shiny and it also gives it that wet-ish effect. So yeah guys, I love this curls, you guys. Oh my goodness, this year I'm not gonna struggle with curls. This will be my go-to method. And then right now I was styling my hair, blending my hair with the extension, and also trying to make sure that the front part looks as good as the curls. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also do personalize the notifications. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Thank you for your continuous support in 2024. You've supported me through and through. You always came through to tune into my channel, whatever was posting there. Those of you guys who commented in everything, thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate your support. May in 2025 you also guys do the same thing. I appreciate you all. God bless you all, and I love you all. And I'm going to see you in the next coming video. I'm not sure whether it is going to be another hair tutorial or a vlog. Just know that I love you, okay? See you in the next coming one.